So you can see that this is number 9 with the comma, and I created this in Microsoft Word using a keyboard shortcut. So after opening Microsoft Word in your computer, you must go to your keyboard, and suppose if your number lock key is off, you must turn on the number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, in this numeric area, you must type 1 2 7 2 4 2. After typing 1 2 7 2 4 2, you can release your finger from this alt key. And I can see that this number 9 with comma we are created using this method. Of this video. I'll see for more videos. You can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.